Welcome. I am an S. I am an SI. I am an SINNERMAN. And I have SIN in my LIF and D, and I will have till IMPERFEC and T. But that won't be until I'm dead and with Christ. So is that my quest then? To die? It is, in fact. Yes. What a beautiful day. I'm filming this on Saturday, but when I post this, it'll be Friday US. Hence, I'm doing my Fry Up Friday #1 now. In the past, I have not been one to broadly fellowship. I've only stuck to people I'm familiar with. Well, the Lord has been challenging me lately in this regard, to extend myself and to stop being picky, insular, and cliquey. I want to stretch myself, be brave, and talk to those I feel inferior to, or people I think are too different from I. Brave enough to share myself with others a bit more, share the love of Christ. I desire to get out of my comfort zone, go out on a limb and take a risk, to grow more in Jesus and be Jesus to my brothers and sisters. Jesus didn't stick with what was comfortable, and nor do I any longer. But I'm going to need help. It's ironic. Those I thought I'd have nothing in common with turn out to hold very similar interests. I've gone home after the last 2 Sunday nights and planted my face into my palm, admonishing myself. Why didn't I do this a lot sooner? Well, thank the Lord, I've started. An epilogue to this tale would be, I am now on the roster as a welcomer. Peace out. I wonder if I could cheat and put this up for Thirsty Thursdays. I could even do it for Muddy Monday. That is confession. I'll be to repost this post 3 times. Oh, I'm filming. Kidding. I wouldn't do that. Cheap. I've gone home after the last 2 Sunday nights and planted my face in my palm. That's right, I've got glasses now.